Japanese Aralia plant. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most beautiful and popular houseplants, the Aralia plant. If you're looking for a lovely and resilient indoor plant to add some greenery to your home, Aralia is an excellent choice. Let's learn together how to care for this plant so it stays vibrant and healthy all the time. The broadleaf Aralia, also known as Japanese Aralia, is a beautiful evergreen plant native to East Asia and southern Japan. Its scientific name is Fatsia japonica, and in English, it is called Aralia japonica thun a, false castor oil plant, or Siboldi hort. In Persian, it is also referred to as false Aralia. Join us in this article as we explore how to care for the Aralia plant, including watering needs, humidity, suitable soil, and more. The broadleaf Aralia is an evergreen houseplant, making it a great choice for indoor environments. In its native land, Japanese Aralia grows as an evergreen shrub, reaching heights of about 3 to 6 meters, turning into a beautiful shrub. However, this plant may cause skin irritation in some individuals. When properly cared for, Aralia rarely suffers from pests or diseases, with its main sensitivity being a lack of humidity. The leaves of this plant are palmate, consisting of 5, 7, or 9 lobes. Some varieties of Aralia have golden or variegated leaves, which tend to grow more slowly and are more challenging to cultivate compared to those with solid green leaves. How to care for an Aralia plant. Light Aralia prefers bright, indirect light but can also tolerate partial shade and partial sun. Temperature. The ideal temperature for Aralia is between 59 deg to 68 deg C, def 15 deg GC to 20 deg GC. Generally, this plant prefers cooler temperatures, and in higher heat, its stems can become excessively thin and elongated. Watering. Allow the top layer of soil to dry out completely before watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot. During the colder months, reduce the frequency of watering. It's recommended to let the water sit for 24 to 48 hours before using it to allow chlorine to dissipate. Humidity. Aralia requires high humidity. In summer, mist the plant daily. You can also place a water-filled tray nearby or use a larger saucer filled with pebbles and water, making sure the bottom of the pot does not touch the water. Fertilization. To boost growth, feed the plant every 2 weeks with a 3 gram per liter fertilizer. Soil. Aralia thrives in well-draining compost. Repotting. The best time to repot Aralia or plant it is in spring, around April or May. It's recommended to repot annually, moving to a pot one size larger each time. Cleaning the leaves. The best way to clean the leaves is by using a sponge and chlorine-free water. Avoid using chemical leaf polishers and don't expose the plant to direct water droplets. Propagation. Aralia can be propagated through various methods, including cuttings, offshoots, and seed planting. Pruning. The best time to prune Aralia is in the spring. In favorable conditions, the plant can grow to 6 to 8 feet 1.8-2.4 meters in height, but pruning can keep it between 2 to 4 feet 60 to 120 cm. Be gentle when pruning, as harsh pruning can stress the plant. Water the plant before pruning to help it recover quickly. To encourage more lateral growth, pinch off young branches. Cut 24 to 48 inches 60 to 120 cm from a branch just above a leaf node to promote bushier growth. To stimulate new shoots, cut about 30% of the old branches at their base. Also, remove heavy, broken or misshapen branches to encourage new growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my future videos. Also, if you have any questions about caring for Aralia, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.